Hello friends, welcome back to the iShare channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone 11/12's black screen of death issue. Fix 1. Force restart iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Fix to charge your iPhone. Connect your iPhone that has a black screen through an outlet. Then press the power or sleep button. If a drained battery causes the black screen, your iPhone screen will light up and display an empty battery icon. Fix 3. Use iTunes to fix black screen of death on iPhone. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then open iTunes. Hit the Restore iPhone button. It will erase all your media and other data. You can choose to back up the settings or not back up. Click the Restore Now. Congratulations! The iPhone restarts now. Fix for Use Professional iOS Repair Tool to fix iPhone black screen of death. iShare iOS Repair Genius is the powerful iOS system repair software, which can solve almost all iOS system issues in clicks. You can use it to fix the iPhone black screen of death issue. You can download iShare iOS Repair Genius from iShare.com. Open the software and click System Repair. Then select the Standard Mode option. OK, hit the Start button. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put the iPhone into recovery mode. Hit the next button to load device info. Your iPhone model is detected here. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Well, now you can hit the Repair button. Finally, the iPhone system issue is repaired successfully. Your iPhone will reboot at the same time. That's all for the video.